Invasions from the northwest. After the decline of the Mauryas in the 2nd century BC, many foreigners from Central Asia invaded North and Northwestern India. Let us study the important political developments that took place during this period. The Indo Greeks. The Greek rulers from Bactria or northern Afghanistan were the first to cross the northwest borders of India. Gradually, the Indo Greeks came to occupy the Ganga basin as far as Panchala, Saketa, and Pataliputra. The most famous ruler of the Indo Greeks was Menander or Melinda between 165 to 145 BC. He was converted to Buddhism by a Buddhist philosopher, Nagasena. The Indo Greeks were the first rulers to issue coins bearing the portraits of kings. The Indo-Greek rule introduced Greek elements to the Indian art, and the new style of art came to be known as the Gandhara school of art. The Sakas. The Sakas were the nomadic tribes of Central Asia who came to India after being forced out of their homeland. They gradually gained supremacy over the north and the northwestern parts of India after defeating the Indo-Greeks. Numerous coins and inscriptions and Indian texts such as the Mahabharata and the Puranas tell us about the Sakas. The Saka rulers were called satraps. The most famous Saka king was Rudradaman between 130 to 152 BC. His territories extended up to Sindh, Kutch, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Konkan, the Narmada Valley, Malwa, Kathiawar, and Western Deccan. The Parthians. The Parthians came to India from Iran, and the Parthian rule overlapped with that of the Sakas. They ruled over a small portion of northwest India in the 1st century BC. The most well-known Parthian king was Gondophanes, who was succeeded by his nephew Abdagases. The Kushans. The Kushans set up a mighty empire in India which extended up to Bihar in the east. They had two capitals, one at Mathura and the other at Purushapura or Peshawar in the present-day Pakistan. The Kushans reached the height of their glory under Kanishka. In 78 BC, he started the Saka era, which is now used by the Indian government. Kanishka patronized Buddhism. He got a huge stupa built at Purushapura. Kanishka also encouraged art and Sanskrit literature. The Kushans also issued a number of gold and copper coins.